If your Optus eSIM is stuck on activating, it means your device is failing to connect to Optus's network during the initial setup process. This commonly occurs when scanning the QR code provided by Optus. To understand this better, remember that eSIMs are programmable SIM cards embedded directly in your device. This allows you to switch carriers or plans digitally without needing physical SIM cards. To fix this on iOS devices, start by deleting the existing eSIM profile. Go to Settings, then Cellular, then eSIM, and select Remove Cellular Plan. This clears any corrupted data causing the activation issue. For Android devices, the process is similar. Navigate to Settings, then Network and Internet, then SIMs, and choose Delete eSIM. This removes the problematic profile and allows you to start fresh. After deleting the eSIM profile, you'll need to obtain a fresh QR code from Optus and scan it again to complete the activation process. This should resolve the stuck on activating issue. After deleting the profile, get a fresh QR code from the My Optus app, the Optus website, or customer service. Scan the code in good lighting and without interruptions. Restart your device and toggle airplane mode on and off. If it's still stuck, use the automated setup tools in the My Optus app. Optus has improved eSIM reliability with recent firmware updates for iOS and Android devices, so make sure your phone is up to date. AI diagnostics in the My Optus app can also automatically detect and fix activation loops, minimizing the need for manual resets. If none of this works, contact Optus support directly for manual activation. They can help resolve issues on their end.